The job description of transaction backer involves managing the flow of transactions, supporting clients and professionals, and ensuring that processes run smoothly from initiation to completion. This role is seen in different industries, with real estate and outsourcing services being two of the most prominent areas. In real estate, transaction backers help coordinate property deals from contract signing to closing. In outsourcing and virtual assistant settings, they provide administrative support, manage client communication, and oversee transaction-related processes such as compliance, documentation, and financial tracking. Regardless of the setting, transaction backers are crucial because they serve as the link between multiple parties. They make sure that buyers, sellers, agents, lenders, or corporate teams stay updated and aligned. They also ensure that no important details are overlooked, whether it is a signed contract in real estate or a financial report in a corporate environment. With so many moving pieces, a transaction backer brings structure, order, and consistency to the process. This role requires a balance of administrative skill, attention to detail, and client management ability. It is not just about moving paperwork but about creating a seamless experience. For clients, having a transaction backer means reassurance that every stage of the process will be handled professionally, while for organizations, it means better compliance, reduced errors, and improved efficiency. Core responsibilities of transaction backer. The central responsibility of a transaction backer is coordination. In real estate, this includes scheduling inspections, following up on appraisals, communicating with lenders, and ensuring all necessary documentation is submitted to brokers for compliance. In outsourcing or back-office contexts, the duties might extend to managing client accounts, processing financial transactions, handling invoices, or overseeing operational workflows on behalf of busy professionals. Transaction backers also play a critical role in communication. They are often the central point of contact for clients, stakeholders, or business partners. For example, in real estate, they keep buyers and sellers updated on the progress of the deal, while in a corporate outsourcing environment, they relay updates to clients about deadlines, reports, or pending approvals. Their ability to provide timely updates reduces misunderstandings and builds trust. Documentation management is another key part of the job. Every transaction, whether financial or property-related, comes with important files that must be correctly handled. A transaction backer ensures that contracts, compliance forms, invoices, or agreements are properly stored, tracked, and submitted for approval. This reduces the risk of legal or financial complications. At the heart of these responsibilities, the job description of transaction backer is about ensuring processes flow efficiently. By balancing coordination, communication, and documentation, they help professionals and organizations focus on their core tasks without being slowed down by administrative complexities. Skills and competencies required. To succeed as a transaction backer, one must be detail-oriented and highly organized. Small mistakes can have major consequences, whether it is overlooking a filing deadline in a property sale or mismanaging a financial record in a corporate setting. The ability to track multiple tasks and follow through on every item is vital. Strong communication skills are equally important. Because transaction backers often interact with clients, agents, or business stakeholders, they must be clear, professional, and proactive in their updates. Good communication builds trust and ensures that everyone remains on the same page throughout the transaction process. Technical proficiency is also becoming increasingly important. In real estate, transaction backers often use customer relationship management, CRM, systems or brokerage software to track deals. In outsourcing settings, they may work with accounting platforms, project management tools, or digital collaboration systems. Comfort with technology allows them to perform tasks more efficiently and stay aligned with organizational workflows. Problem-solving and adaptability round out the skill set. Transactions, by nature, involve moving parts and occasional delays. A strong transaction backer anticipates issues and finds ways to resolve them quickly, keeping processes on track even when challenges arise. Work environment and challenges. the work environment for a transaction backer varies by industry. In real estate, many operate from brokerage offices or remotely, working closely with agents and brokers. In outsourcing or virtual assistant models, they may work entirely online, supporting clients from different locations and time zones. In both cases, their environment is fast-paced, deadline-driven, and requires strong multitasking. One of the biggest challenges in this role is time management. Multiple transactions may overlap, each requiring attention, follow-ups, and documentation. A transaction backer must prioritize effectively to prevent delays or missed requirements. Another challenge is compliance. Whether dealing with legal documentation in property transactions or financial records in outsourcing, accuracy is essential. A single oversight could result in regulatory issues or strained client relationships. Maintaining diligence under pressure is therefore a core part of the job. Despite the challenges, the role is rewarding. Transaction backers often receive appreciation from clients and professionals for the smooth, stress-free experiences they create. Their behind-the-scenes efforts lead to successful deals and satisfied customers. Educational background and training. There is no single educational path to becoming a transaction backer. Many come from administrative, customer service, or financial backgrounds, while others transition into the role from real estate or corporate support positions. A degree in business administration, real estate, finance, or communications may be beneficial but is not always required. Training often happens on the job, with new backers learning about industry-specific systems, compliance requirements, and workflow processes. In real estate, they might receive guidance on title, escrow, or appraisal coordination, while in outsourcing environments, they could learn client account management, reporting, or software usage. Certifications can also add value. Real estate transaction coordinators sometimes pursue specialized training programs, while those in corporate outsourcing may obtain certifications in bookkeeping, project management, or virtual assistance. These credentials enhance credibility and career prospects. Career growth and opportunities. Working as a transaction backer opens several career paths. In real estate, it can lead to positions such as transaction coordinator, office manager, or licensed real estate agent. In outsourcing or corporate environments, it can serve as a stepping stone to roles in operations management, client services, or financial administration. The experience of handling complex transactions, communicating with clients, and ensuring compliance equips transaction backers with transferable skills. With time, they may move into supervisory positions, managing teams or overseeing multiple accounts. Others may choose to specialize further in compliance, finance, or client management. As industries increasingly rely on remote work and outsourcing, demand for skilled transaction backers is likely to grow. Their ability to combine administrative expertise with client-facing professionalism makes them essential in both traditional and modern work settings. Conclusion. The job description of transaction backer highlights a role that blends administrative support, transaction management, and client coordination across industries. Whether ensuring smooth closings in real estate or handling financial and documentation processes in outsourcing, transaction backers provide structure and reliability. Their skills in organization, communication, and problem-solving make them indispensable. The role also offers a strong career path with opportunities for growth into management, operations, or specialized professional tracks. In the end, a transaction backer is more than just an assistant, they are the backbone of successful transactions. By managing details, keeping communication clear, and ensuring compliance, they enable professionals and clients alike to move forward with confidence.